Ever start cooking a simple stir-fry or breakfast and realize your pan just isn't cutting it? Maybe the food sticks, the heat is uneven, or cleaning up feels like a nightmare. For anyone who spends time in the kitchen, these small frustrations add up fast. That's why I wanted to check out the Vednhol Titanium Pan Set. Designed for home cooks, families, and anyone serious about healthier, hassle-free cooking, it promises durability, even heating, and a non-toxic surface that's actually safe for everyday use. Right out of the box, the Vednhol pans feel impressively solid. The titanium construction is noticeably lightweight compared to traditional cast iron, yet it doesn't sacrifice sturdiness. The hammered finish isn't just for looks. It increases surface friction to help reduce sticking while giving the pans a stylish, modern vibe. The ergonomic titanium handles stay cool on the stovetop and feel secure in hand, which makes tossing, flipping, or transferring food much easier. You also get lids designed to lock in heat and moisture, which is a surprisingly useful touch for sautéing, braising, or simmering sauces. What makes this set stand out in everyday use is the performance. Titanium alone isn't the best conductor of heat, but Vednhol's multi-layer hammered pro composite ensures fast, even heating across the pan. In practice, that means your eggs cook evenly without sticking in patches. Your stir-fry sears perfectly without burning, and sauces don't cling stubbornly to the surface. It works on all cooktops, gas, electric, ceramic, induction, and even goes in the oven. So whether you're making a stovetop omelet or finishing a pan-seared chicken breast in the oven, you don't need multiple pans or extra tools. Cleanup is also straightforward. These pans are PFAS/PFOA/PTFE-free, non-toxic, and dishwasher safe, which makes them ideal for busy kitchens. Of course, no cookware is flawless. Because titanium is naturally lightweight, it doesn't retain heat as long as cast iron, so some dishes that need extended heat may require careful temperature management. The hammered surface, while stylish, can require a little extra scrubbing if food gets really stuck. And although the pans are versatile, smaller kitchens or limited storage may struggle with the 8-, 10-, and 12-inch sets. Compared to other pans in the same price range, Vednhol holds its own. Cheaper nonstick sets often rely on PTFE coatings that wear off quickly or release chemicals when overheated. Stainless steel pans require more oil and attention to avoid sticking. Even higher-end ceramic pans can chip or discolor over time. Vednhol strikes a balance. Lightweight titanium, non-toxic surface, even heat, and compatibility with any stovetop. It's versatile, stylish, and built to last. If you're a home cook who values healthier meals, faster cleanup, and cookware that genuinely performs, this pan set is perfect. It's also a great option for families, new apartments, RVs, or anyone who wants a safe, reliable alternative to traditional nonstick pans. Those who rely heavily on cast iron or need extreme heat retention might still prefer their old favorites. But for most everyday cooking tasks, this set covers everything. In short, the Vednhol Titanium Pan Set delivers a professional feel in a home-friendly package. Stylish, safe, and functional, it makes cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you've been frustrated with sticky pans, uneven heat, or constant wear on non-stick coatings, this set solves those problems without taking up extra space or requiring complicated maintenance. If this review helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical kitchen gear reviews, and check the link in the description to see the latest price. Whether you're whipping up breakfast, sautéing dinner, or experimenting with new recipes, these pans could easily become your go-to cookware.